we are having one problem, that is void main int x equal to 5.3 modulo division 2. Then after the value of x has been printed. We are having the four options: 2.3, 1, 0.3, and one thing is the compile time error. So for that one, we have to know how this modulo division works. Actually, the modulo division, you have to remember, the modulo division always works over the integer value only. So here it is not an integer value, that's why it will not work. So it comes to the compilation error. Let's check with the compiler code, right? So I have written the program and just to check it out, just I am compiling. Okay, after this compilation it is showing the error. This is the compilation error, right? Here it is showing that one is double data type, another is integer data type. So it will not able to take the modulo division. So this is a compilation error. It is coming down here only. Okay, if you change this for our concept clear, if we change this value to 5, that means 5% 2, then it will work. Okay, let's have a check. If we change it the value by 5, then after compilation, see it is working and there will be no compilation error. Fine. So we are coming down to the our options. So as per the options given, option D, that is the compilation error, is the correct one.